Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode on how to cut and sew. Today we'll be looking at how to cut this particular style. This is a baby dress and you can also make it for yourself too. This dress is the combination of organza and a chiffon fabric, as you can see. So we're making chiffon to be the inner, while this is going to be the outer. The organza is going to be the outer. So now, this is my chiffon fabric. As you can see, because it's for baby, you can use 1 yard or an half yard. It depends on the measurements you are dealing with. But this is 30 inches. It's not up to 36 inches. It's not up to 1 yard. So now this is my organza. So the next thing to do now is to fold this fabric into 4. This is into 2. So now I'm going to fold it into 4. Now this is into 4. So after folding this into 4, I'm going to take the measurement. The measurement for the shoulder here is 5. But when you check here, you will see that the shoulder measurement for the organza is more wider than the shoulder measurement for the chiffon. You can see. So I'm going to deduct 1.5 inches from the main shoulder measurement. I'm going to use 3.5 inches. So by the moment I want to cut this organza, I'm going to make it 5 inches. So this is 3.5 inches. But the armhole will be 5 inches. So the bust here, I'm using 7. That's 7 into 4 places. Give us 28. So with the same allowance of 1.5 inches, for this particular style, no waist measurement. Then I'm going to cut it out. Then when you get here, you slant your hand like this. You can see that I'm cutting it out. So after then, the next thing to do now is to take the length measurement, because the organza length is more longer than this length. The organza length is the main length. So this now I'm going to make it, the main length is, so this is 26. So by the moment I had 5 inches of organza, it will give us 31 inches. But with the seam allowance, that 5 inches I'm adding, it has a seam allowance of 1 inch. So by the way I'm through with the sewing, it's going to give me 30 inches of the length. The next thing to do now is to cut the neck. So the wideness of the neck here, I'm saying 2 for the wideness of the neck. This is 2 for the wideness of the neck. I'm using 2.5 for the deepness of the neck. So now, like this, then I'll now cut it out. So like this is it. So I'm done with the chiffon. So I'm going to go to the organza now. So this is my organza. This is into 4 already. Then I'm going to place one of these on it. So now this is it. I want to use this to cut out the organza. When you're looking at the picture on the screen, you'll see that the fabric and the organza, they are not of the same length. But here I'm going to make it the same length. So you can, if you like, you can do it exactly the way you're seeing on the screen. But here I'm going to make both the organza and the chiffon to be of the same length here. Then I'm going to make a pleat or make a gathers around here with the organza, not with the chiffon. So now I'm going to make use of my measurement tape and chalk to measure the shoulder. Like I said earlier, I said the main shoulder is 5 inches. The main shoulder is 5 inches. Then you see the way I'm going to do it from here. Now it's going to be this way. Like this. You can see this particular area, the shoulder will be wider than the chiffon bone. So that is why I'm making it like this. Then from here there will be another measurement from here, like 1.5 inches, like this. You can see it. Then I'll make a slant line. Then I'm using this as well to cut out the neck, because we are using the chiffon to turn in the neck. So now we are done with the body, both the organza and the chiffon. So the next thing to do now is to cut out the sleeve. So I'm using this to cut out the sleeve. The sleeve length is 5 inches, so I'm going to fold this into 4. So this is 5 inches for the sleeve length. It also have a taping. I'm also going to make a guidance around the sleeve. So this is the sleeve. So now it should mean all this that I'm going to use to make a guidance around the sleeve and the down part. So the length of this is 5 inches. So this is 5 inches. You can't do all fabric like this, but since organza can cut this way, that's why I'm cutting it this way for easy cutting. So this is all I need for the down and the sleeve. So I'm going to use this for the down part, and I'm cutting this into 2 for the both sleeve. I'm cutting this into 2 for both sleeve. So this is it. You can see it. I didn't join both chiffon and the organza together. I only joined them. I stitched them at the armhole side, the armpit side. This is where I stitch it. You can see, and the neck are both joined, and the shoulder. Both the shoulder, neck, and the armpits. So only small stitching around here. So we hold it with the shoulder. So you have to bias the armhole here, because the armhole and this other one, they are not joined together. You can see. So that is how you're going to sew it. Follow me on Instagram at DIZHA_. No_. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.